Hello, friends. Welcome back to Dream Degree Abroad. Hope you are doing well. If you want to study in Saudi Arabia with fully funding, then this scholarship is for you. I am talking about the Saudi government scholarship. Yes, this scholarship is fully funded and offers bachelor's, master's, and PhD programs. And you can apply more than one program for this scholarship. You will get the monthly stipend and living allowance in this scholarship. So must apply in this scholarship. I will guide you the step by step application process, so stay tuned till the end. First of all, go to Google and search Saudi Government Scholarship. Click on Study in Saudi Arabia. Then a page like this opens. Here you have to click on Study in Saudi Arabia. And then a page like this opens. Scroll down. And the deadline for this scholarship is 21st May 2026. So apply before this deadline. Now you can check the universities by clicking on institution, and you can find your program by clicking on find your program. You can check your desired programs. There are a number of programs for bachelor's, master's and PhD. So you can apply in your desired program. Move back. Now let's talk about the application process. On the top right corner there is sign in button. Click here. So if you are a first time user, then click on create your account. After creating your account, you have to enter your email and password and then you can sign in. So I have already created an account. So I am just entering my email address and password and click on sign in button. So after signing in, you can see they are showing an error. Your profile is incomplete. Complete it to apply to academic programs. So click on complete profile. So there are 4 steps to complete your profile. First is personal data, second is basic data, then third is additional data, and then fourth is qualifications and attachment. Now first of all, enter your personal data, including your first name, enter your last name, then your ID type. If you choose your passport, and then you have to enter your passport number. Then enter your date of birth, then current place of residence. If you are from Pakistan, then click on Pakistan. And then enter your place of birth, your nationality, your marital status, and your disability status. Scroll down, and here you have to upload your personal picture. And after that, you have to upload your passport picture. After uploading, scroll down and click on save and continue. Now the step 2 is basic data. First of all, enter your address, your city, your district, then state, then enter your postal code and then additional number. Scroll down and then enter your contact information, your mobile number, and enter LinkedIn, ID, YouTube, or Facebook, but these all are optional, so you can skip them. So after completing step 2, click on save and continue button. Now you have to fill your additional data. Additional data includes your employment and study data. Are you employed? So click on no. If yes, then click on yes. Now a reason for wishing to study in Saudi Arabia. It may be your short statement of purpose. Write it, and then previous residency data. Have you obtained a previous residency number? Click on no. Reference data, your full name, reference email, and reference mobile number. You just need one referee information for this. Now you can add additional data, include your annual income. So choose your annual income and then click on save and continue button. Now here is the step 4, qualifications and attachments. First, academic qualification data. So enter your academic qualification. If you are applying for master's program, then enter your bachelor's data. And if you are applying for bachelor's degree, then enter your high school data here. So I have choose bachelor's program because I am applying for master's program. So academic qualification bachelor's, country of qualification Pakistan, and you have to enter your score here. Then next is language data. Choose your language, English, and then language level. Scroll down and then enter certificates and tests. So upload your high school diploma or bachelor's degree. And after that, scroll down. You have to upload one English language test file, maybe TOEFL, IELTS, Cambridge English test, etc. Upload any one of them. Then scroll down. These all are not mandatory. And then attachments. Attachments include your security clearance certificate. This is mandatory because it is static. Attach the file, then medical report, and then add recommendation letter, then your CV, and then enter your test results. Upload test results and then other attachments. These all are optional. So after uploading all the documents, click on save and continue. Now your profile is 100% completed, and then you have to click on apply for programs. Click on apply for program. Now you can find your program here. You can choose your degree type. For example, I am choosing masters. So and choose scholarship type, full scholarship, and then choose your language. You can choose English language. So now scroll down, and these all programs are master's programs that are taught in English and offers full scholarship. So now choose your desired program. So let's suppose I am choosing masters in computer science. So click on view details. Here you can see all the details relating to this program. So the benefits include tuition waiver, accommodation, travel tickets, monthly stipend, and medical insurance. And the required documents for this program is bachelor's degree and English language test, any English language test, TOEFL, IELTS. So upload these documents by clicking on add attachment. So now I have uploaded both documents. Now scroll down and click on add to preference. Now your program is added to preference. And now you can choose more than one programs. And after that, click on view preference. So you can see your program is added to preference list. After that, click on start recorder and then click on save order. By clicking on save order, there is the submit button. Click on submit button to confirm submission. And in this way, your application will be submitted. After submission, you are done with applying to Saudi government scholarship. Remember, the deadline for this scholarship is 21st May 2026. So must apply before this deadline. So it was the step-by-step application process. Hope this video will be helpful. Subscribe to our channel for more videos and also visit our website Dream Degree Abroad to know about the latest scholarship opportunities around the globe.